Hello children, I am Prasanna. Welcome to my channel Mathematics by Prasanna Lakshmi. Today in this video I am going to explain 5.2 exercise 13th sum onwards. In my previous video I have completed up to 12 word problems. Now coming to 13th word problem children. Lalita took a parcel from a hotel to celebrate her birthday with her friends. So it was billed with 1450 rupees including 5% VAT. Lalita asked for some discount. The hotel owner gave 8% discount on the bill amount. So now find the actual amount that Lalita has to pay to the hotel owner. Right? Here total bill how much? Including VAT is nothing but rupees 1450. On this owner gave 8% discount. Right? So we'll find 8% discount means how many rupees? Okay. That is 8% of 1450. Let 8 by 100 into 1450. Okay children, here 5 2s are 9s are 4s are. So here 4 into 9 29 will give rupees 116. So owner gave 116 rupees discount. So now Lalita, how much she should pay to the owner now? Lalita has to pay the bill is nothing but total minus this discount. So 1450 minus 116 when you subtract, you will get 1334. So Lalita should pay 1334 rupees after discount. Coming to 14th question children. If VAT is included in the price, find the original price of each of the following. Here is the table given: item, VAT percentage, bill amount in rupees and original price. Here what is original price? Original price is nothing but without this VAT percent. VAT is included in the price, find the original price means without included VAT price. Means we have to remove this discount from the bill amount. Here first one is diamond. It is the VAT percentage is 1% is given, total bill is 10,100. So we should remove this 1% of VAT from this bill amount, so you will get the original price. So first, in the first one we will find how much 1% of 10,100 is how much. That is 1 by 100 into 10,100, that is nothing but rupees 101. So VAT is rupees 101 children. So here we have to minus from 10,100 minus 101. So then you will get the original price. So here you will get 9,999. So here is 9,999 was the original price, means without VAT percent. Now next pressure cooker. Pressure cooker, how much they give VAT percent included in the bill amount? 5%. That means 5% is how much we should find here. 5% of 2,940. That is 5 by 100 into 2,940. When I cancel with this, 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 2 7s are. Right? So 147. So 147 is included in the bill amount. Now we have to subtract children. 2,940 minus 147. When you subtract, you will get 2,793. So this was the original price of this pressure cooker. Okay. Next, face powder. 14.5% VAT is given. VAT percent is included in the bill. So we have to find here 14.5% of 229. Here 145 by 10 percent of 229. That is 145 by 10 divided by 100. That is 1 by 100 into 229. Right? Now we will do cancellation here. So any cancellation possible here? 5 table, 5 2s are, 5 2s are, 9s are. Next here, so you have to multiply 29 into 229 by 200. So how much you get 29 into 229? When we multiply 29 into 229, you will get here 6,441 by 200 children. So when you divide this number by 200, you will get 33.6 20, that is rupees 33 and 20 pice. Now you subtract from 229. 229 minus 33.20, when you subtract, you will get 195 rupees 80 pice. So 195 rupees 80 pice. This is the original price when we exclude this VAT. Next, 15th question. Find the buying price of each of the following items when a sales tax of 5% is added on them. Here, given that sales tax is 5%, children. Now, cost of towel is rupees 50. So, we will find how much is the sales tax. That is 5% of rupees 50 we will find out. That is 5 by 100 into 50. So, here you will get 5 by 2, that is rupees 250 pice. 2 rupees 50 pice. Now, what is the cost price of this towel, children? Net price plus sales tax. So, what is the net price here? Rupees 50, and sales tax you got rupees 2 rupees 50 pice. So, when you add it, you will get 52 rupees 50 pice. Okay, children. Now, coming to next one. Second one is given 2 bars of soaps at rupees 35 each. So each soap is 35. So we should find the cost of 2 soaps first. So here cost of 2 soaps. 2 into rupees 35, that is 70. This is the 70 rupees is what? Net price. Now how much sales tax is given? How much percentage? 5%. So we should find the 5% of rupees 70, children. So you will get 5 by 100 into 70. Here 0 cut. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So you will get 7 by 2. That is 3 rupees 50 pice. So sales tax is rupees 350 pice. Now we will find the cost price. Cost price is nothing but net price plus sales tax. So what is the net price here? Rupees 70 plus sales price is rupees 350 pice. Now when you add, you will get 73 rupees 50 pice. So what is the cost price of the 2 soaps? 73 rupees 50 pice. Coming to 16th question, children. A super bazaar prices an item in rupees and pice so that when 4% sale tax is added, no rounding is necessary because the result is exactly in n rupees. When n is a positive integer, find the smallest value of n here. So here sales tax is nothing but VAT percentage, right? So VAT is given 4%, children. Here price of an article. What is the price of an article? We don't know. So therefore you will take cost price as n. Then total cost as n. So VAT is given 4%. So as per the problem, no rounding is necessary given. Right? So here therefore minimum amount we will take here. Minimum amount should be rupees 1. Here positive integer is given. So rupees 1. So what is the value of n now here? Is nothing but 1 by 4%. Right? So here 1 by 4% is nothing but 1 divided by 4%. That is 1 divided by 4 by 100. That is nothing but 1 into 100 by 4. That is nothing but 25. So value of n you got a 25. Therefore minimum value of n is nothing but rupees 25. Now we include tax here. So included tax you will get rupees 25 plus rupees 1, that is rupees 26. So children, by this sum we completed 5.2 exercise of this unit, comparing quantities using proportion.